Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the second part of the head element. And in the head element, there are several other aspects that we'll be using in the next videos, wherein we'll try to create a page layout. So let's get started. Um, and in this video, I'll be using the emulator. But first of all, let's get started with the program. That's the standard HTML and body that I will be using. Before the body starts, I have to write the head, and then all these elements which I'm writing would be part of the head. The meta is a tag, and we'll incorporate that, but it would not be externally visible. So I'm just defining things for the head in the head element, which is these are all text based things which define the text and the other properties of the HTML, but we'll just give it some names. These would not be visible in the output, but yeah, these can be utilized, and that's just for our own purpose. Then next one is also meta. Just use some 4 5 elements, I mean 3 4 elements, and then we can continue. We can define the keywords, we can define the description. So that this can be picked up by browser, by search engines that I have talked about as well. And then the last one, we can say who is the author. When content, we can say Bharti Electronics. And then close the head, close the body, sorry, start the body, and then we can just say that this is a this is a fresh this is a paragraph. All other elements would stay inside the other meta elements. Now let me just copy it and put it in my emulator, where on the right hand side you can see the results, and just run it. So let me zoom in. The output is, it says this is a paragraph. Let me just zoom out. Yeah, and then to the next program, in which what we'll do is we'll use some links part of the body. Let's do that as well. Let's remove the meta things, meta characters. We have already defined it, and after the head, uh, yeah, inside the head element only, we'll write this is the base link, and I'm for this video I'm using it for my emulator website, which is because it may not be feasible on a local drive. uh, so just want to show it with this one as well. I have done it with local drives in previous videos, but I wanted to define it, and the underscore blank would open it in a new tab. Yeah, and then I have the head, Then I can just write something in the head one inside the body. Just calling it heading. Then in the paragraph, I want to give a link, which is the image link. Now, instead of using the entire link, I am just defining it as images because we have already defined that in the head tag. So the GIF file is there. Then give the width. Let me make it as 100. Height is also 100. And then alt is stick. Or let me just say, yeah, picture. And then the image is there. Let me end the image tag as okay. Image tag is not required any ending. The paragraph is there, and then add a link as well, normal link. So just define it as a href equals to tags. That's predefined inside the emulate website. Suppose to open in a new tab. New tab link, and then end the link and the paragraph. And inside the paragraph, I can say link to a page. And then, yeah, let's just check everything is there, image is there. Okay, let's copy it. Again, this will run in the emulator only, and then run it. Okay, let's check if the image is there. Stickman images. Images slash stickman GIF. Let's change it to something better. Let's check the link as well. Yeah, the link is opening in a new tab. I think there's something we have not defined properly. Let me just review that. Okay, let's check this. Base is href https. Okay, I think I've missed a dot, and then click on run. Yeah, so you can let me zoom in as well, or maybe just change it to bigger one. 400. Yeah, so you can see that my image is there, and then the link is there at the bottom. Let me just zoom into the link. Yeah, this is the link in different color. If I click on it, a new tab opens, which is opening right here, the emulator, and we already have the image without without defining the entire link. So that's how you do it. That's it for this video. The next video is going to be little longer, and it will be about